Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Oxymed oxygen concentrator step by step. First, find a suitable location for your concentrator. Place it on a flat, stable surface, ensuring at least 6 inches of clear space around all sides for proper ventilation. Next, connect the power cord directly to a grounded electrical outlet. Please avoid using extension cords. Finally, fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water up to the maximum fill line, then securely attach it to the concentrator. Now, let's connect the oxygen delivery accessories. Carefully attach the humidifier bottle to the concentrator's oxygen outlet port. Then, connect your nasal cannula or oxygen mask tubing to the humidifier bottle's outlet. It's crucial to ensure all these connections are snug and secure. This prevents any oxygen leaks and ensures you receive the correct prescribed flow, making your therapy effective and comfortable. With everything connected, it's time to operate your concentrator. Turn on the power switch and allow the unit to warm up for approximately 5 minutes. This ensures optimal performance. Once warmed, adjust the oxygen flow rate to your specific prescribed setting using the flow meter knob. Always confirm a steady, consistent flow of oxygen from your cannula or mask before beginning your therapy. Proper maintenance and safety are key for long-term use. Clean the air filter weekly with mild soap and water, allowing it to air dry completely before reinserting. Replace your nasal cannula or mask regularly, typically every 2 to 4 weeks, to maintain hygiene. Always keep the concentrator away from open flames, heat sources, and smoking materials to ensure your safety and the device's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.